How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video with Reverse Engineered. Today's video we're going to reveal the new truck again, 2020 Ford F150. This one has the similar damage to the other one, but just a little bit less. We were actually planning on flying or driving over to where this Copart auction was and take the truck home, drive it home, but we decided not to take the risk because some auction lots do not release the trucks or cars or anything if you pick it up without a trailer. So we decided not to take that risk. That it wasn't worth it for the shipping anyways, because the shipping was cheaper than wasting all our time, 10 hours or so to bring it home. $350 for the shipping. Got it home really quick in about 1 or 2 days, right Sam?
Yeah.
And now let's do some walk around, show the damages and what we're gonna do. This one we're going to start off a little bit different. We have the frame ready. The other one we didn't have it ready. We're going to go ahead and change the frame first because it's bent from a point here behind the strut tower, and it's pretty much not able to get pulled back since we don't have a frame machine big enough to fit this truck. We're going to change the frame like Westen Champlin did on his sick Ford Raptor. It's a lot of work, but that's what we signed up for. That's what Sam signed us up for. Whether you like it or not. Anyway, let's take a little bit look at the interior. This truck is 2020, like I said. It has 4,000 miles. We've got some blown airbags. On this one, we have the dashboard as well. The dashboard was pretty cheap, but it's going to take a little bit of work to change that airbag out. You have to take the whole dash off and put on the new one. This current airbag by the driver's side, the driver airbag itself, and the seat over here. Last time we had the passenger one, now it's the driver. It also comes with this knife.
The guy has some stuff inside, I guess.
Oh look, we're already getting a return on our investment. About 7 cents, 8.
How much did you save on the truck?
We got 8 cents back already, and a knife.
Cool.
So this alone makes it worth it.
I also like that it has 6 seats instead of 5, like the other truck we have.
It's gonna be a little bit awkward, honestly, to drive with someone next to you in the middle, since you're always used to just having the passenger on that side. Let's see if we got anything in the back.
So dang. It had a bunch of stuff inside. Go on the other side and check it out. To the other door. Yeah, the seats will need to be cleaned. As you see here, some stuff went on. Some food he tossed in the seats.
We also got a couple of his keys. Hand sanitizer.
No way, we have some hand sanitizer, guys. I mean, this one is empty, but this one has something. I mean, especially nowadays, we need it.
Saved a lucky penny. Let's see, 2006. Pretty clean back here, to be honest. I like that the carpet is black. I wish the seats were black as well to match everything.
I mean, we can always change those.
We can. But do we need to? Maybe not now.
Maybe some other time in a different truck.
Another one. I've had enough. The bed also has some damage on the driver's side here. We're going to try to pull it out as much as we can so we don't add Bondo, but we'll see how that goes. We also got just a little bit of a dent here. These scratches can be buffed off, but it's bent in from here. If you look from the side a little bit more. We can't use the dent puller on this because it's aluminum and not metal.
Maybe we're gonna add some flares or something.
Maybe. But it kind of looks weird. It's like a wannabe wide body or something.
Yeah, because otherwise you have to bring the wheels out more.
This truck came with the bed liner already. The other one didn't. We bought it pretty cheap off of a local guy for 20 bucks, I think. It also has this tailgate cover as well. You don't need to buy one. Looks all good.
These are actually the parts from the accident in the back. There weren't too many parts, but we can take off the screws and whatnot off of them.
Yeah,
Maybe some sockets.
Like we've said in previous videos, there's always some sort of piece on any broken piece you find, so don't throw it away until the whole truck is fixed. You're gonna need some pins like this rubber gasket over here or whatever this is. We can save that. A little bit of wiring, maybe not on the wiring. But on this side,
Looks good, yeah.
this side looks completely good. Even the fender is good on this side. There's no damage to the quarter panels, the doors.
Maybe we can go ahead and find some parts that are already painted in this car so we won't have to paint it. Because we're not planning on wrapping this whole entire truck. We can just paint or...
Yeah, this one's just the hood. We have the hood, is the hood black?
Yeah, it's completely black.
Yeah, we brought a black hood. We have a black grill, black bumpers, gloss black. It looks amazing. It'll look amazing. We're going to try and paint as little as possible on this one.
We couldn't open up the driver's side door because it was touching on the fender, but now we can go ahead and check the inside on the front here. Got some manuals here. Got some other things. The guy left his ID inside. Of course, we're not gonna show that on video. Maybe we're gonna ship it out to the guy.
You probably got a new one by now.
Probably.
This truck, you might have noticed, that doesn't have the running boards, but we did save them off of the other F150. We're gonna use those ones for this truck to give you an extra step getting in.
Luckily, we saved them because we planned on tossing them away.
It is a little bit high to get in, especially if you have a toddler or something, like our nephew. We're not gonna change the headliner, there's no need. It's just that airbag.
Yeah, it has some creases, but that's fine. It's gonna go away.
Usually go away when you put it back in.
Yeah.
When you put the new airbag.
The truck, guys, also has about 4,000 miles, so it's a brand new truck. Let's go ahead and check out the front end.
Let me open up the hood here.
So everything is good in the engine bay except the frame. The frame is bad on this truck. That's why we're also planning on driving it off from Copart, because all the radiators, cooling fan, everything works.
Yeah, just this side.
So whenever the driver dropped it off, he dropped it off about two or three blocks away and just drove it home.
It also doesn't look like it hit a car. It looks like it hit a pole or something.
Yeah, it's blue.
Since cars aren't really this color, it's like a baby blue, a little bit darker. And it's kind of too steep, this angle. It looks like a pole. You hit a pole right there. But we also have to change this apron like we did on the other F150 too.
Open up, let's
The
see.
fender, obviously, headlight.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about here, where the door was like touching the fender, so that's why we couldn't open the driver's side.
Yeah, we're gonna have to take off the fender first so we don't damage the door further.
Also, when we took delivery of the truck, we chopped off this bracket, whatever, this long thing, because it was sticking right up to here and it was like blocking the tire. We couldn't take off the truck because of that, so we took a sawzall and chopped it right off.
Doesn't look like we have much to replace, but because of the frame replacement that we have to do, it's going to be a lot of work. We have that. We're going to change that first, but we're going to have to take off the front end, obviously. Take off the coolant and all that stuff. And then we can start driving this beast.
Yeah, I
And
can't
one
wait.
thing, this one is clean title.
Clean title on a 5.0 liter Coyote. Other one was 2.7 liter.
Yeah.
But did you know, Daniel, that still
Yeah.
the 2.7 liter is still faster than the 5.0?
0 to 60 is faster in the 2.7 versus the 5.0.
Even faster than 3.5 liter.
That one's twin turbo.
Yeah, but still the 2.7 liter is faster.
This one naturally aspirated. I don't see
Yeah,
any
it does
turbo.
not have any turbos. It's just like the Mustang, except that one has a
That
little
one's a
different
beast.
things. Yeah. In case you guys missed it, here it is.
Look at all sick, waiting its turn in line to get driven. Yeah, this one did get a little bit less damage than the other one.
Yeah.
The filter wasn't good on that one.
Oh, I didn't
It's
even.
still almost the same amount of work minus the Raptor stuff.
So on this, you only have to change the bottom portion, right?
Yeah, the top looks fine.
Yeah, I kind of looked up online. You can't really find people selling just the bottom portion. You either have to buy the whole thing or fix this. But we're not gonna fix this. Too bad.
Didn't even
It's
have
cracked at the bottom. I saw this. I didn't see that one.
well, now you do. So we're gonna try and salvage everything as much as we can, like this headlight. But we already bought 2 of them. They were pretty cheap, so we're gonna save it and see what we do with it in the future, or maybe sell it to someone. This grill is no good because it's cracked over here on this side where it mounts to the headlight. This one's a little different than the 2017s. This portion is a lot longer. And it also has a different trim over here.
Yeah.
It's obviously missing on this one, so we can't look at it. But we did buy that one as well. We found a pretty good deal on that one. The other ones have a little other trim here that mount to the headlight and goes around to meet with the hood. They made this one a little bit simpler, made the bigger headlight and the bigger grill.
I still think it looks so sick with the bigger grill, different headlights. And the thing is, we're actually gonna go with different kind of grills from bumper. They're gonna be
Yeah, gloss black.
gloss black, just like the car is. Where it has some flakes in it. Yeah, as you see, it's just not gloss black, but it's like sparkly glass black or whatever. It has flakes in it.
Yeah, we already have a bunch of parts, but we're still gonna have to buy some miscellaneous stuff here and there, as always on every type of build. When you take it apart, you find an extra little plastic, a screw or something that's always gonna be needing to be replaced. And with that, we're gonna end this video here. In the next one, we'll take it apart and start dismantling the front end. Take a look at what else we need. Take off the cabin, lift it up again. It's gonna take a lot of work to just lift it up in the air. If we had a lift like Westen Champlin did, we would have gone a lot faster, but it is what it is. You gotta work with what you have. And with that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment down below. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications. Follow us on Instagram at ReverseEngineered1, where we post stuff and pictures and little videos and stuff on our story before YouTube. They get to see some of the stuff we work on, like the Mustang, some other things, exhaust sound and everything on the like we did on the Mustang. See you next time.